Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. I add another vehicle to our YouTube page. It's a 2015 Chevy Express Mobility, 113,000 miles. This is a really cool one. It's got a little ramp system instead of the lift system that's in it. Johnny and I are going to go over this thing real quick, do a quick run around. New tires all the way around. Got an ARBOC system on it, rear backup camera, PA system. Again, only 113,000 miles that are on it. Thing's really in nice shape. One of the nicest ones we've had in a while. Coming up the ramp system here, which is nice in case you got older folks that need assistance in shuffling with canes or walkers or something. And you also can get a wheelchair in here. Has capability of lifting up. This whole section here lifts up. Storage of a wheelchair there. This section lifts up. Storage of a wheelchair here. And in the rear back here, these two also lift up. In that section there, put a wheelchair here. These are all going to be your stationary seats of here. This is a 15 packer. Really nice and clean on the inside. Trans air system in the back. Emergency exits here. It's got a lot of goodies with it. Little cubby hole there. But not a ton of stuff just to go over and see and everything. Rear backup camera. It does have the air ride kneeling system with it. Makes it lower and stuff so it can upper and lower itself downwards. Controls out here to control everything too. But real quick, if you got any questions about this, please contact me. I'm Nick. That's Johnny on the other side of the camera there. Please call us at 919-661-2886. Or you can hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.